Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes using an easy method. First, gather all your dry ingredients such as flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Next, measure your wet ingredients: milk, 1 egg, and some melted butter. It's helpful if all ingredients are at room temperature. Remember to use a kitchen scale for precise gram measurements, ensuring consistent results every time. Now let's combine everything. In a large bowl, whisk your dry ingredients together until they are well incorporated. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently mix your wet ingredients. Be careful not to overmix them. Once both sets of ingredients are ready, make a small well in the center of your dry mixture, preparing it for the next step. Achieving the perfect batter is key. Pour the wet mixture directly into the well you made in the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. It's perfectly fine to have a few small lumps. The most important rule here is not to overmix, as this develops gluten and can make your pancakes tough. Let the batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, it's time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the hot surface. Cook until you see bubbles forming on the top, then flip them over and cook the other side until golden brown. Serve your delicious, fluffy pancakes warm with your favorite syrup, fruit, or other toppings. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.